What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jika K, and I'm back with another video. This video is going to be me unboxing my package that I got in the mail. I've been trying to find me some side hustles, y'all. Like, trying to find some, some extra cash, some ways to make some extra money, because I just can't really just, get rich from just working a 9 to 5. So, yeah. I got my package, and I'm going to get ready and open it. Did I even tell y'all? Did I tell y'all what it is? It's a microblading kit, y'all. Like, for a long time, I have been thinking about, like, microblading eyebrows, because I fill my own brows in, and people tell me, like, it's really neat. It's really cute. So, I said, I'm going to try to microblade. And I have some other kits over there too, but they already open. Like, I have a nail kit, and I got a eyelash extension kit, and I mean, it's a work in progress with both of them. And the eyelashes is just so hard to do. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that one. So I'm just trying to get this open. It came with a mannequin head, okay, and it's got like the little interchangeable lips and the eyes. I don't know if y'all can see that. Kind of, and it's soft. It feels like flesh. What else is in here? Okay. And it has the eyebrow stencils. I think that's what that is. I haven't even took a course on microblading, and I just up and bought a whole kit. Pray for me. Let's see. Alright, these are the eyes and the mouthpiece. The little interchangeable pieces. I'm going to try my best to keep up with this stuff, because I know me. And then it comes with 4 shades of eyebrow pencils. It's, let's see. You got gray. Then there's gray, light brown, black, and then there is brown. So yeah, these are it. And if you can see how the head of this eyebrow pencil looks, got 4 shades of it, which is pretty good. Okay, this is the A&D ointment, I guess, when I start actually practicing on humans. You can apply this, to kind of lock it in. But I don't know if I'm going to use A&D, though. Kind of burns. And we have needles. How many of these A&D things did I give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. They gave me 10 of these, so that's pretty good. Where'd it go? Oh. And what are these? Okay, these are the needles. I got the needles. The different types of needles. Or are they all the same? No, they're different. We got the needles right here. Can y'all see that? And there is, how many of these? 1, 2. It's 40 needles, y'all. I'm sorry. There's 40 needles. And what else? And I guess these are the different shades of eyebrow tinting cream. Like the actual stuff that you'll use to color it. The pencils are just for the outline of the brow. And they have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 of them in here. And then we have these. These are to kind of like wipe the excess ink off, you know. At least I think. I don't know. And these are like the little fingertips, you know, the little fingertips that you use to, yeah, like cover up your fingers or something. But I'm gonna have to see, because if these are latex, I'm not gonna be able to use these. I'm allergic to latex, so we'll see. And then we have the ink holder. You know, so you won't just have to, you know, keep sending it down and re-dip it, the needle. You can just have it like on your finger or whatever, and you just, you know, and keep it moving. And there's a bit of those in there. What are these? They feel kind of heavy. Okay, these are, I guess these are like the eyebrow maps. Because they feel like they kind of got like some kind of rubber. Yeah, to them. So I guess I can like practice doing these, tattooing these first before actually practicing for real. Are they all the same? And y'all, with the microblading kit, you can also like microblade your lips as well. So yeah, that's why some of these have like the lips on them at the bottom. It's got lips on them at the bottom. Can you see that? Y'all can see that? I don't know if y'all can see that. So one more map. Okay, now these are the flat faces. This is the flat face. As you can see, it's, you know, it's flat. And I guess this one is just because the plastic is off, so it's, you know, it feels real flesh-like. And that one don't have like no face on it. It's just blank. That one has a face on it. It's kind of raised a little bit, like the nose and the lips and the eyes. I think these are the lips. Yes, these are the lips. The lips look like little coochies. Can I say that on here? I'm sorry, but they do. And here are the eyes, the eyelid. I'm gonna have to do a lot of studying with this, especially with me not even really having any kind of training, just other than me watching videos. But we're gonna see. What is this? I got this little cutting edge on the end. What it is? Okay. This is the little saran wrap that you place on top of the brow after you've done it to kind of like, you know, seal it in and protect it. Oh, so that explains the little cutting edge right there. Okay. Because I was like, what? But after I run out of that, I'll probably just be using regular saran wrap. Oh, here are the pins. The pins. It came with 2 pins. It's my first time holding one of these bad boys. Yeah, I don't know anything about this stuff, honestly. And I'm gonna get it though. I'm gonna pray about it and I'm gonna get it. And y'all gonna see. I gotta come up with a little catchy little name. But these are the pens. And they are pink. It's pink. And I guess the needle goes in like on this side. Is there like... Yeah. I'm going to have to do a lot of practicing because this is my first time even holding a microblading pen. Let me stop before I tear something up. Oh, Lord. Okay. But yeah, this is a pen too, I think. So, yeah. And that's it. Alright. So, I got all of this stuff for a decent amount, I would say. I think this... Because I looked it up on YouTube. I was looking at other people's reviews and which kit that they use. So I was like, that's the one I'm going to get. Let me see how much this kit was. Okay, this kit was $51.99. And this kit is by I don't know, but it's this right here. And it was $51.99. So you can't beat that. And you get all of this stuff, and it's a pretty good amount of everything. You know, it came with more than I expected. I thought I was just gonna get the blade and, you know, and that be it. But it came with some extra. So that's pretty good. That's really well. Make sure I keep up with everything. And that was that. Now, I'm not gonna lie. With me opening up that kit, I done became a little bit nervous. Like, my anxiety has kicked in with that kit. But I'm gonna just pray about it, y'all. Because I have got to find a side hustle. Like, I'm ready to tap in. I'm ready to get right. And I know I may have gone about this the wrong way because I have not had any kind of class or anything on microblading. But some of the best people, this is how they start, with no recollection of anything. So just wish me well, and I'll be praying on it. So maybe some magic can happen, and maybe this will be my side hustle. So, yeah. And that's it. And oh, y'all, please excuse me because I'm trying my best to get back like into the act of recording YouTube videos. So I'm feeling a little awkward right now, but I hope I'm doing well. And also, I'm using my new camera, so I'm not even really sure where I should be looking. I don't know if I need to look at the screen or if I need to actually look at the lens. I don't know, but y'all bear with me. And if you are watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, please. Thank you. See you later, Nines. If you're feeling this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.